Hey, what's up YouTube, how's it going? It's Skiller85 back in another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's for Hitman 2 on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up at Christmas, or just after Christmas. Haven't played it yet, so yeah, really looking forward to playing this. So obviously as you can see on the front is Agent 47, drawing his gun, about to probably murder some fools. So yeah, there's the side, and there's the back, and it says Think Deadly. And it says all this here, and all this here. And the install size is up to 60 gig. And then inside we have literally nothing but the disc. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Hitman 2 on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you later. Cheers, bye bye.